Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Zapier to WordPress in 2024. Of course, this integration allows you to automate tasks such as maybe publishing some posts or maybe you would like to manage some comments. So I would like you to or I'll walk you through the step to link your WordPress site to Zapier for a smoother workflow. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically just go to this URL section, and here you'll have to go and type zapier.com. Your first time, of course, you'll be taken here to this page. Here, you can go to the top right corner and click on sign in or log in to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, instead click on sign up. Of course, you'll be able to use Google, Facebook, Microsoft accounts if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of logging in, and Google just for creating accounts. Once you create your account, as you can see, you'll get 14 days of premium features for free. So to try it out if you want, as an example, to upgrade your plan after the 14 days. So yeah, after that, as you can see, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. So the first step to do when you want to connect Zapier to WordPress is simply go into this list panel, go here and click on apps, this apps section. So once you click on it, as you can see, you'll be taken here. So just go to search apps right here and look for WordPress or type WordPress. Once you do so, as you can see, you have WordPress websites creator and WordPress. For me, I'll just go and connect WordPress. So click on connection here. And as you can see, you will get this pop-out. So this integration uses the WordPress REST API and require that Zapier plugin be installed and activated on your WordPress site for authentication. Before you proceed, please install and activate the plugin. So if you don't have it yet, you'll need to go and do it on WordPress. So of course, just go and access your WordPress. So go to WordPress.com. For me, as example, I'll just use here my local host for that. But as an example, for WordPress, it's going to be the same. If it's your first time, of course, you'll have to click on login to log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, click on get started instead. And you can use, as you can see, Google, Apple, GitHub, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you log in into your account, you'll find yourself here. And as we said before, we'll need, or as we saw in here, we'll need a plugin, Zapier plugin. So if we click on it as an example, we'll be taken here. As you can see, the Zapier plugin to download it, Zapier for WordPress. So as I said, for me, I'm using like my local host. For you, just go to your WordPress, go here to plugins. So I'll just do that in my local host. So here's an example, go to this list panel, go to plugins, click on add new in here. So once I click on it, as you can see, I should be taken to the plugins page or the plugins section. And here, all I will have to type is simply Zapier. For WordPress, I don't need to type the rest. Once I type Zapier, as you can see, you'll find this. So Zapier for WordPress, as you can see, saves time to tedious tasks by moving info between WordPress and your favorite apps so you can focus on most important works. So I'll just go and click on it and click on install now. For you, of course, you can go and click on it and read description, installation, change login example, and reviews if you care. For me, I'm not going to do so. So once it's installed, of course, I'll have to go and click on activate to activate it. And Composer detects issues in your platform. Your Composer or dependencies require PHP version. So maybe it cannot be activated in my case. Yeah. So maybe I'll need to upgrade my PHP version. I also have to upgrade my WordPress example or update it. For me, at the moment, I'm not going to do so. So for you, just go and activate it. And once it's activated, because you can see for me, I have incompatible with your version of WordPress, so I'll need to go and upgrade the plan. Then I'll be able to use it. So of course, you can go here, always click on updates now, however, or whenever you want to update your WordPress, of course. So make sure to do so, so you'll be able to use it. Basically, once you activate it, you'll have to go back in here, and all you need to do then to fill is simply, as you can see, your base URL, username, and password. So base URL is you'll have to enter your 4 publicly accessible WordPress URL with the leading HTTP or HTTPS, depending on what you have, and do not include the WP admin or WP login PHP. right? So yeah, it should be very easy. Other than that, you'll have to enter, of course, like if your WordPress has some custom login URL, please do not include the custom URL value. For example, HTTP example.com instead of HTTPS example like .com/login as your best URL value. So make sure to enter that correctly. After that, you'll have to enter your username. As you can see, the username or email you used to log in. If one doesn't work, you'll have to try out the other. And then, of course, the password, then click on yes, continue to WordPress. Once you've done that, as you can see, you'll find the connection established between WordPress and Zapier. For me, I already have it like with another WordPress account connected with Zapier. So, of course, I can just go to the normal WordPress and do that and connect it into. But normally, plugins, you'll not be able to install it on normal WordPress unless you have a plan. So anyway, once you're done this, you've already like good to go. You connected Zapier to WordPress. Now, what you can do basically is simply start making some connections. So you can go to this list panel, click on create zaps in here, and start creating some automations between WordPress, for example, and other apps using Zapier. That's normally why you would like to connect WordPress to Zapier, so you can connect stuff. So here you can simply use this AI tool to help you create automations if you don't know how to use this trigger and how to use the action trigger and the action event, and etc. So if you don't know how to use it, of course, it's very easy. We'll get used to it very easily. But if you're still new, as an example, you need to have some help at the moment, you can always just use AI tool and you can type whatever you want. So, for example, when I do like this, I don't know, this app uh, should do as an example this. So this is just an example, of course. So here, an example, this should be changed with something, and of course, this app example should be changed with something, and you'll be able to create your automation very easily. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.